So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to flat twist. Now, first things first, the number one issue that I noticed that most people have when they're doing flat twists is that their flat twists unravel. Now, one thing I want you to keep in mind when you're doing a flat twist is the technique is very similar to doing a two-strand twist, okay? When you're doing a two-strand twist, you always want to twist to the left. This will guarantee that your two-strand twist will not unravel even if you don't use a rubber band. Now, if you twist to the right, I guarantee you that it will unravel. Doing a two-strand twist, and I started this off twisting to the right. So I'll take this lock here, bring it to the right, okay, and start the twist. Twisting to the right, right? You'll notice the difference. And now I'm going to let it go. See how that unravels? Right away it unravels. Now, if I start and twist to the left, taking this lock and going to the left, we're going to twist to the left. And you know when we're doing two-strand twists, you twist as you twist. So you twirl and twist. I'm going to let this go and show you guys exactly what I mean. I'm going to let it go. Bow. Do you see that? This did not unravel. There's no rubber band holding it. It just didn't unravel. Because when you twist to the left, this guarantees that your flat twist or your two-strand twist will not unravel. So now that I've gotten that out the way, let's go ahead and get into this flat twist. And you guys already know that we are twisting to the left. It doesn't matter what side of the head you're on, always start twisting to the left. So I'm going to start with the first lock. And we're going to the left, just like this, so you know that's what we're doing. Twisting to the left, twist. Okay? Once we get to the next lock, incorporate it in and twist. Okay? Continue to twist. Once you get to the next lock, incorporate it in, twist to the left. Now that is the end of this flat twist because there are only 4 locks on this particular section. So I'll just even those out and have 2 on each side, and I'll continue to do my twist. Just want to twist down a little bit so that it doesn't come out. I don't even have to use a rubber band to hold it. See? Let it go. As you can see, it is not coming out. It's not unraveling. And we can just leave it there and move on now to the next row. We're going to do the exact same technique. We're starting off twisting to the left. So I'm going to start at the front, and this goes over to the left in that direction. Okay? And we're going to do twists. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Once we get to the next lock, incorporate it into the twist. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Continue to twist. Get to the next lock. Incorporate it into the twist. Okay. Just like so. Incorporate it into the twist. Okay, and it's just wrapping it around. It's the last lock in this row here. Just going to incorporate it in. Just like this. And make sure that you're not pulling and it's not tight. It should be very comfortable. So now that we're here at the end, we're just going to split the hair evenly here, and then we're going to do a